Well, hello everyone and welcome to Slick Ride's Garage. Today, we're tracking down an air conditioning system leak. This is a 2003 Mazda 6. Just finished installing a 96,000 mile replacement engine into it. So I've had this on a pressure test overnight. Originally started out over here at around 94 PSI. We're now down to 65. So these are the hookups for my air conditioning manifold set. This is the low side. I disconnected both of these while it was on pressure and then took a spray bottle with some soap and water, sprayed it down inside of the charging ports here and looked to see if any bubbles are escaping. Another way that air conditioning system leaks often present themselves is where we have hookup points like this to the condenser here. A lot of times you'll get dirt mixed with oil. That's the high pressure fitting right there. That is the AC compressor. See the two lines that are hooked up to it. I've already checked those O-rings. The plan is disconnect the compressor, cap both of the lines, vacuum test the rest of the air conditioning system. That way I can tell if it's the compressor leaking or something else. I've got to let the pressure off. This is just an inert gas. Hey, this bottom hose here has a clamp on there. We'll take that off first. It's a little bit tough to get to. That's one of the compressor line bolts. There we go. That's just a rubber cap. I'm going to take that, slip it over the O-ring. Okay, let's grab this other line up here. Before I put them on, I clean them. Caps are now on both sides. I'm going to pump this down for about 20 minutes or so. After I'm done, we'll put it on a hold and see if it leaks. Okay, so this has been on vacuum hold now for a total of an hour and a half, and I've had the camera going the whole time. It hasn't leaked off, not a single bit. So let me tell you about the symptoms. I would put it on a vacuum hold, and as soon as I closed up the gauges, it would start dropping. In 30 minutes, I would probably bleed off somewhere around 2 to 3 inches of vacuum. So that pretty well confirms to me that the air conditioning compressor is what's leaking. We're going to have to get that thing out of there and find out if we can either reseal it or whether or not we're going to replace it. Thanks for watching Slick Ride's Garage. We'll see you next time.